I just want to clear you guys about what has been going on in Nigeria, Abuja to be precise. Do you see how Barrister Aloy Dumako and the Sowore also was arrested? Do you see the toggery that this regime comprises of? Do you see it? Are you people watching? You see, when I told you guys that Nigeria can never survive it, you guys thought probably he's being negative. I'm not negative. I'm only being factual here. Nigeria is far from getting better. Is it not better that Nigeria is practicing military regime than this presidential system of government in the name of democracy that they coin into it? Do you see how Yoruba Agberos, do you see how they behave? This was exactly what Tinubu did when he was ruling Lagos State, when he was a governor. Do you see how they showcase Agbero in the public? During the 2023 election, do you see how he contracted MC Oluomo, how he was intimidating people, beat people up, buy some people while they're beating people up, wounded a lot of people, and even snatched ballot boxes. Even at that, he lost Lagos State. Do you see how toggery and how masquerading they showed in doing their things? Do you see how they're working? The reason for all this nonsense is just for him to come for second term. That is why he has overlooked the normal and he's doing the abnormal. That is exactly what he's doing. Tinubu protested 2012. Buhari protested 2014 and 2015 before the election, alongside the Adeboye, Enoch Adeboye, alongside the Tunde Bakare, alongside the Wale Soyinka. I will keep mentioning these animals. I will keep mentioning your names because all of you now have kept quiet. You cannot come out again to talk. You cannot even go to your friend the Tinubu to talk to him. That is enough is enough. It is better that Nigeria is practicing military system. It is the best option for Nigeria. Yes, I said it is the best of options. How can you go about oppressing, intimidating people? I have never seen anywhere they are protesting and you draw a line that people must not pass here because you want your place to be protected. You don't want to be brought down. That is why you barricaded the place. Use the useless Nigerian Bar Association because they are useless. Nigerian Bar Association is useless. Quote me anywhere, they are useless. The judiciary has been pocketed. The IG of police is in their they are the one that appointed IG of police. They are the one that appointed the attorney general. They are the one now that have appointed the INEC chairman. The army chief, they are the one that appointed them. So even if you have a case and you bring it to the court, they will tell the judge what to do. The police that will even not that. Where does the police have the right to challenge a lawyer? Do you know what a lawyer means? Police is beating up a lawyer. A lawyer, Jimako, was beaten up by police for doing nothing wrong. You see how they showcase their Agbero character. That is why I don't like Yorubas. Their Agbero, not all of them, but most Yorubas are just Agbero. Agbero. That is thugs. That is what they are. How can you go about intimidating people just because you want to go for second term? You want to rule for second term. That is the reason for all this shenanigans, all this intimidation. Nnamdi Kanu that you kept in the custody is just because of this your 2023 option of coming second term. Go about intimidating people. Do you know how many times the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu lawyers have gotten threats? Threats from police, from individuals, from military. Life-threatening threats to buy them. Do you know how many times? Just for for you to become president, and you open your mouth and say that there is rule of law, we are practicing democracy. I look at you. 2012, you protested, and nobody stopped you. Nobody asked you, don't pass here, don't go there, don't go this way. One time you said that you don't believe in one Nigeria. You said it. But when somebody say it, people, all of you, all these idiots following you up and down will not go and check their histories. Go and check your history so that you know what to say and what not to say. You are intimidating Omoyele Sowore because he's telling you the truth. He has told you the reality. He abused you. Though, so you want to intimidate him. And not just abuse, he told you the reality, what he knew about you. You have not defended yourself. Now you are using police to intimidate him. Use army to intimidate him. Use your talks up and down to see what you can do to bring him down. Do you have any right to arrest any protester? Instead of you to listen to their yellings, you are intimidating them. It is their constitutional right. It is their fundamental right to complain when things are going wrong. And there is nothing wrong with that. If your son, Sheyi, if you are doing something wrong in the house, he cannot call you, daddy, what you are doing, no, you cannot intimidate me. This one is more than, what you are doing is not good. Your wife cannot tell you that what you are doing is not good. If it's a woman that is intimidated, now, all of you will wake up, oh, why must the president intimidate the wife? But the wife is seeing what is wrong and she cannot speak. What she's dragging is market women, going up and down to talk rubbish. The time is coming and is very near. It is very, very near. Stop intimidating people. If you know you can lead people right, rule, let people enjoy, let people be happy. That is the essence of leading people. Not leading people and almost everybody is angry with you. The whole Nigeria is angry with you. The only people that laugh with you, they are the ones that you have bribed. Those are the only people that are happy with you. The rest of Nigeria is angry with you. Take it or you leave it. And you know it that even if vote is, you guys voted today, people will vote you out in number because you have destroyed the country. And you know it. All what you are doing is to take money, bribe people, intimidate people, do this, bribe people. Oh, that is all what you can do. And that is what you are doing. This is not democracy. Anybody that can speak with you should speak with you. You are misbehaving. Your government and your governance is terrible. I must tell you. Omoyele Sowore did nothing to you. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they all did nothing to you. You have pardoned your drug barons' friends. You have pardoned killers. You have pardoned whoever you wanted to pardon. You have pardoned them. But you are going about intimidating people. Intimidating people that are telling you the reality. That people are hungry, that people are crying, that people are dying. Those are the people you are intimidating. But you have pardoned people who kill people. You have pardoned people who are killing people. You have pardoned drug people. You pardon all of them. And you are holding people who are sent, people who are as clean as snow, as white as snow. We are watching, but the time is very near. That's all I'm going to say here. I don't want to talk too much. See the way you beat up Sowore, harass him, oppress him, humiliated him because he's saying the truth. One Nigeria, my foot. Where are you going to get one Nigeria? No worry. Hustle and get the second term. Hustle and get the second term so that everybody will rest. So that you go to sleep. Because enough is enough. Enough is enough. Out of here.